In this video, I'll be showing you guys the newest way to get Ksign on your iOS device without computer or jailbreak. With Ksign, you guys can download your favorite IPAs with just a few steps, making it the most reliable signer, working for iOS 15 all the way to iOS 27, I believe. So the first thing that you guys have to do is just go to the developer's official website. I will leave a link for this in the description down below. And what we first have to do is just click on download DNS profile. And if you guys click on the download DNS profile here, just click on allow, and then obviously just go into your settings and just quickly install it. The installation process is quite simple, and then what you guys are going to do after that is go back to the website once you've done that and just click on any one of the Ksigns here, and each Ksign will have text beneath this showing the certificate. So what you really need to do is just click on any one of these Ksigns, keeping note of which certificate that the Ksign is under. And so if one doesn't work, just try the second one. If the second one doesn't work, keep trying the third one. There are about 30 different certificates, so you can try as many as you want until you find a working one. And if none of them are working, that means that you have been blacklisted, which if you guys want to know how to get unblacklisted, then leave a comment down below and I will be making a video on that if a lot of people are blacklisted. Anyways, the certificate that's working as of this video is Vietnam Airlines, and do note that Vietnam Airlines again may not work for you guys, but it's working for me as of this moment. By the time you guys are watching this video, Vietnam Airlines could have been revoked, so just try a different one. I'm just going to click on install here, click install. And now, as you guys can see, Ksign has installed over here. So now if you guys click on Ksign, it'll say untrusted enterprise developer. So what we have to do is go into settings, go to general, scroll down until you guys see VPN and device management, and then just click on the Vietnam Airlines certificate and then click trust. And this does require you to restart your iDevice, so I'll be back when I restart. And now once you guys have restarted, just open up the Ksign app here. And now all we need to do is just import our IPA here. You're gonna head over to library, click on import here, click import from files, and then locate your IPA file. For this video, I will be using OS, which is essentially an iOS 4 emulator style IPA. If you guys want to know how to get that, I will leave the video for that on the top right. But anyways, click on the IPA here, click on open, and you'll see the progress bar at the top importing. And now all you need to do is just click on the downloaded app here, click sign and install. And you guys can see here, you can change any of the stuff here by going into modify and adding some stuff and even properties as well. For this video, I'm just gonna be doing a simple IP installation. So I'm just gonna click start signing and then just click on install here. Now if I go back to my home screen, you guys can see that OS is in fact installing here. And as you guys can see, OS has installed. Now, if you just click on the OS app, it'll work just like it is intended to. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.